A cancer treatment giving patients new hope. Doctors say it is effective with very few side effects, and this treatment center is right here in the Valley. Please welcome Dr. John Kressel of Phoenix Cyberknife Center with how he and his team can help. And I know this is important to you. You want Cyberknife to be just a regular term when it comes to cancer treatment. What is it?
So Cyberknife is a form of radiation therapy that's more advanced, state-of-the-art. It's called radiosurgery, so very high doses, very pinpoint, very precise. It's kind of the next level of radiation compared to the standard fractionation that's given over weeks.
Right, and so many folks want this to be the new norm, and I know you do as well. What are the treatments like?
Well, the treatments are done externally, so a patient literally comes in, lays down, treatment is delivered, they get up, they go home. There's no needles, no anesthesia, very little in the way of side effects, so the recovery time many times is little to nothing. We treat patients in the morning, they go golfing in the afternoon.
And we're looking at video right now. My goodness, state-of-the-art technology. Phoenix Cyberknife, you're not only unique here in Phoenix, but at treatment centers across the country. How are you leading the way?
So the Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center was developed to be a state-of-the-art radiosurgery center in addition to standard radiation therapy treatment options. So the equipment that we have there was the first in the world to be put side by side in order to offer all forms of radiation therapy.
How are you able to keep the side effects to a minimum?
Well, it's just kind of as straightforward as excluding normal surrounding healthy tissue from the radiation therapy.
Because it's so precise?
Because it's so precise, you're able to limit the dose to the surrounding normal tissues, which can help reduce side effects.
Yeah, we talk about this all the time, and if you have ever received a cancer diagnosis or a family member who has, after you decide, you know what, I want to treat this particular way, then you've got to weigh the insurance. Do you all accept insurance?
Yep, this is something that's covered by Medicare and all of the major providers for treatment.
And what kind of cancers can you treat?
Well, we basically can treat every form of every form of cancer with the different radiation therapy treatment options that we have. Brain, spine, pancreas, prostate, liver, breast. And in today's case, we'll be seeing a patient later who we treated for lung.
Right, and you were telling me that you all are really known as a specialty. Lung cancer is a specialty at Cyberknife.
Yep, we're recognized as one of the specialty centers for what's called thoracic radiosurgery for lung cancer.
And how are you and your physicians and your radiation oncologists, how are they a cut above the rest when it comes to the treatment that they provide?
So there is some specialty training and education that's required, and not all radiation oncologists, who are the physicians that use radiation therapy to treat cancer patients, have had that training or expertise. So, many times they're not able to really even understand if it's an option or if the patients that they're seeing could benefit from that. So it's something that we're trying to help patients understand, that you should consider that as one of your potential treatment options before you make a decision.
And the patient you're going to meet in just a few minutes, he was an advocate for himself, and that's how he found Phoenix Cyberknife. And you say we should be. We need to do the research and find out that there are other options out there.
Absolutely. He's got a very good story to tell about being his own advocate, and now he's a good patient ambassador for helping patients understand you've got to really check out all of your options before you make a decision.
All right, you're going to meet him coming up in just a few minutes, but first, if you've got questions for Phoenix Cyberknife and Radiation Oncology Center, you can email them at info@pcroc.com. They're located at 4611 East Shea Boulevard in Phoenix. Call 602-441-3845 or visit the website phoenixcyberknifecenter.com.